Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Today I'm sharing the cards I made using Spellbinders brand new Santa Lane Christmas kit. This is a mega Christmas kit and is a limited edition. You can purchase it without a subscription, and I do have links provided in the description box below. Several of the items are also available for individual purchase, so if you want extra paper or maybe some of the stickers, you can add those on as well. I do have some unfortunate news. My intention was to record a process video, and I thought I did. My camera was rolling, everything looked like it was recording, but when I went to edit this video, all I had for an hour and 14 minutes was a frozen screen. So obviously that wasn't going to work, and I'm not able to re-record this since I only have one kit. So instead I will be showing all of the cards I made using this kit. I do apologize since I know people prefer process videos, but sometimes this kind of stuff happens with technology. So we'll go ahead and start with card design number 1. I did use card sketches for inspiration for most of my cards. For card design number 1, this sketch is from OWH. It's number 131. And if you are interested in any of the card sketches, I share all of that information on my coordinating blog post. That link is provided in the description box below, or you can simply head over to KristieMarcotte.com. This card features 4 different pattern papers, and I also use the little snowman die that's included in the kit. I have a sentiment. This is one of the die cut pieces. And then I finished off the card adding some of the gold foil snowflakes. I love the snowflakes and I use them quite a bit on my cards. For card design number 2, the card sketch is from Sketch Saturday. This is number 694. And I did make 4 cards using this sketch. I made 2 cards for all of the other sketches I use in this video. I used some of the lovely acetate layered stickers and also some of the chipboard stickers. The sentiment here, the Happy Holidays, that's a chipboard sticker. The gemstones are included in the kit and they're super sparkly. So I have 2 cards using the same pattern paper, and then another 2 cards using some different pattern paper. Instead of cardstock for the small banner, I use one of the die cut pieces. It has the 24 and the 25 on it. And between the 2 pattern papers, I did add a Love from Lizi peel off. And if you missed my unboxing video where I show everything that's included in this kit, I will add a link in the description box and also at the end of this video. It is packed full of product. For card design number 3, the card sketch is from Freshly Made Sketches. This is number 537. This is a fun sketch since it has that interesting panel on the background, kind of looks like a pocket. I selected 2 different pattern papers. I layered the background on some gold mirror paper and then again on some green cardstock. I stamped out the sentiment on a stitch circle die cut, then added several different die cut pieces. I have the dove, a green bow, and a few of the gold foil stars. Most of the products I used on my cards are included in the card kit. I do bring in some additional cardstock since I add a lot of layers to my cards. For card design number 4, the card sketch is from MFT. This is number 537. I have the tree paper for the background, added a small piece of the black plaid paper, and around that plaid paper I did use a Love from Lizi peel off. Cut out a large stitched oval die cut, and I have it all the way flush to the right side, so I did trim off the very end of it. Added several different die cut pieces. I have the fireplace, the sentiment Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, the number 25. Then I finished up the card by adding some of the gold sequins that are included in the kit. For card design number 5, the card sketch is from Sugar Pea Designs. This is Sugar Sketch number 37. I used some polka dot paper for the background, added a Love from Lizi peel off between those 2 panels. Everything's layered on black cardstock. I have some of the plant pattern paper for that lower portion. Use some more of the green wood grain pattern paper for that narrow strip. I used the red glitter foam stickers for the sentiment Joy. Added a couple of chipboard snowflakes in the upper right hand corner, then finished off the card with a red bow, and this is one of the die cut pieces. And I did add that leftover pattern paper strip to the inside of my card, just for a little extra detail. For card design number 6, the card sketch is from MFT. This is number 601, and I am changing up this sketch a bit. On the very top, it has 2 different panels, and I decided to just have one pattern paper. One of the patterns in the paper pad has this lovely floral design in the corner, so I thought that would work well with this sketch. I added some of the black plaid paper at the bottom, and I did round the bottom 2 corners as well. Layered everything on some black cardstock. I used some of the puffy sentiment stickers for Joy to the World. I used a black Love from Lizi peel off between the 2 pattern papers and 3 of the small star puffy stickers. And I wanted to point out for the next card I'll be showing, I used the same pattern paper. The one sheet has a large floral design in one corner and a small floral design in the other corner. And I like that I was able to cut it so I could use both of those pieces. And if my process video had actually recorded, I would have been able to show that a little better. For card design number 7, the card sketch is from OWH. This is number 156. I have some lovely floral paper for the background, layered it on some dark green cardstock. Then I added that panel with the small floral design in the upper left-hand corner. And since that background has a very busy design, I made sure to use a wider cardstock layer so there's a little bit of separation between them. Then I added the presents, the Christmas wishes sentiment, and also some of the gem stickers. For card design number 8, the sketch is from OWH. This is number 200. I have 3 different pattern papers, but I didn't want the card to get too busy, so I'm using some craft cardstock for the background. And I layered everything on some black cardstock. Added the sentiment Happy Holidays, and I did pop that up with some foam dimension. Then to finish off the card, I added some of the gold snowflake stickers. I like that Spellbinders paper collections always have a really good mix of busy designs and also some of those muted or tone-on-tone patterns. It's easier to make cards when you have a good variety. For card design number 9, the card sketch is from Freshly Made Sketches. This is number 535. I used this fun pattern paper for the background that has lots of little houses and trees. Nice little neighborhood. Then I added 2 narrow pattern paper strips. On the card sketch it indicates only 1, but I like to add 2 just for a little extra detail. The sentiment Home for the Holidays is one of the die cut pieces, and also the green door, and I did pop that up with some foam dimension. Then to finish off the card, I added a few of the gold sequins that are included in the kit. For card design number 10, and this is my final card design, I use this beautiful pattern paper for the background that's covered in gold foil branches. Added a strip of green and white stripe paper, and I did put a Love from Lizi peel off along the edge of that. The sentiment is one of the die cut pieces. It's a nice large 3x4 size. And I also added this sweet little deer piece that I popped up with some foam dimension. Finished off the card by adding a couple of the gold snowflake stickers. Now here's another look at the 22 cards I made using Spellbinders' brand new Santa Lane Christmas kit. This is a mega kit since it is packed full with fun products. If you are interested in purchasing the kit or any of the add-ons, I do have links provided in the description box below. This kit is not part of the monthly club kits and is available without a subscription. Even after making 22 cards, I still have a ton of product left over. I'm hoping I have time to go back into this kit and make some more cards. And hopefully my camera will cooperate and actually record a process video for me. With all of the fun new Christmas products that Spellbinders has been releasing, I may have my Christmas cards finished before October. I'm sure I'll keep making Christmas cards, then I can just save them for the following year. It never hurts to have some extras on hand. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.